In this video, I'll show you a brand new method to get new users on Temu quickly and easily. First, open the app and go to You in the bottom middle. Scroll down until you see Earn Credits and Free Gifts. If you can't find it, go to Settings and ensure your country and region are set to the United States, with the currency in USD. Select an option to earn credits and free gifts, like Redeem Cash. Click on Refer a Friend to spin again and copy the code provided. Now, open your Notes app and create a step-by-step guide on how people can sign up using your code. Title it Temu Discounts and make it appealing. Steps include downloading the Temu app, creating a new account, and entering your referral code. Screenshot the guide and make it appealing. You can share it on social media platforms like Instagram or TikTok to attract users. If you have a large following, share it with them. If not, consider TikTok, as it's easy to get videos to blow up there. By following these steps, you can get tons of referrals and earn free items and discounts on Temu. If you found this helpful, comment below, like and subscribe for more content.